Introducing DC Power Connect, a new website to help district residents choose their energy supplier. This video will help you better understand retail choice and how to use the site. District residents and businesses have had the opportunity to choose their electricity and natural gas suppliers for more than 20 years. DC Power Connect allows you to easily compare offers and stay informed about retail choice. Some common reasons that you might want to change your energy supplier are to adjust your renewable mix, secure an alternative rate, or take advantage of other bonuses or rewards. Be sure to check out our detailed frequently asked questions to learn more. Before making a switch, it's important to know your rights as a consumer and review your utility bill to understand how you're currently being charged. Consider watching the detailed webinar on this page to learn more. Retail energy suppliers may also directly solicit your business. We've made the important considerations to keep in mind when it comes to those interactions available on this page. When you are ready to compare offers, make sure you review the items listed on this page. Most importantly, your current average monthly kilowatt usage, and click the red Compare Offers button at the bottom. The terms that appear in this pop-up box that you must agree to simply state that the Public Service Commission is providing a way for you to search offers, but in the end, you'll be signing a contract with a third party should you decide to switch suppliers. Welcome to the database of offers. Be sure to enter your average kilowatt usage in the box at the top left. You may also adjust other options such as your rate schedule or type, desired renewable percentage, and contract length. Within your results, it's helpful to compare offers you're interested in. Supposing these three offers were your top choices. Clicking the Compare link at the bottom allows you to get more details and see similarities or differences in the offers. Be sure to review the details of any offer you wish to pursue. Listed here for each offer are any specific terms, bonuses, and contract details. We encourage you to read through this information carefully before signing any contract. When you've selected your preferred offer, click the Sign Up Now button to learn more and make your switch directly on your energy supplier's own website. You can also call the energy supplier directly. Thanks for taking the time to understand your energy options and for your interest in DC Power Connect. Should you have any questions or concerns, please contact the Public Service Commission of the District of Columbia directly at 202-626-5100 or visit dcpsc.org. Thank you.